I know things have been loud lately, life pulling from every direction. So let this be a moment where nothing is required of you. Just listen. Just receive. Maybe you're listening while lying under blankets. Maybe while making tea. Maybe while trying to convince yourself to be a person today. Wherever you are, breathe. We're not rushing. We're here together. I want you to picture this. Your room is still dark. That soft, bluish, pre-sunrise kind of dark. Everything is quiet. No pings, no notifications. The world hasn't found you yet. You swing your feet out of bed and the floor is cool. Your breath is warm in the silence. There's something sacred about this hour. Like the day hasn't fully decided what it will be yet, and you get to choose the tone. Not the world, you. That's the magic of the 5 a.m. hour. During the day, your brain is like a browser with 37 tabs open. Work, messages, opinions, obligations, drama you didn't ask for. But at 5 a.m., there are no tabs, no expectations, just stillness. Like a blank canvas waiting for your first brushstroke. And that silence, it's not empty. It's full of potential, clarity, direction, and truth. It's where your real voice lives. It's not just getting up that shifts your life. It's what you do with that quiet hour. How you move in it. How you treat yourself in it. How you show up for you. So instead of chasing the wake-up time itself, we focus on the rhythm. Simple, doable, calming. The 20-20-20 morning flow. First 20 minutes. Move. Picture yourself stepping into soft light. Lamp, candle, sunrise glow, whatever feels gentle. You stretch your arms up. Your ribs expand. Your body wakes slowly. Then you move. Not to work out, not to impress anyone, not for abs, just to feel alive. Sway in your kitchen. Roll your spine. Walk barefoot on the floor. Let your body remember it is electric, not a machine. Your blood warms. Your energy returns. Your confidence rises like the sun. Next 20 minutes. Reflect. Now, imagine sitting in your favorite cozy corner. Blanket, mug, dim light. The world still asleep outside your window. You journal. Slow, imperfect, honest. Or you sit in quiet with your hand on your heart. Or you breathe like you're telling your nervous system, you're safe. You're allowed to relax. Your inner world unclenches. The emotional static clears. You hear yourself again. Last 20 minutes. Grow. Now, picture this part like the world is still wrapped in morning calmness. You reach for a book. The cover worn in just the right places. The pages don't just turn. They whisper, soft, steady, like they've been waiting for you. Or maybe you pop in your earbuds and there's a voice or a lesson or a story that feels like warm, gentle light slowly filling the room. This is water on the roots of who you're becoming. Not the frantic, new year, new me kind of growth. Not the performative, hustle for approval kind of growth. This is growth that feels like shoulders dropping, mind opening, self returning. Your future self gets built here, quietly, steadily, not through force, not through pressure, but through presence. You're not pushing, you're evolving. This morning time isn't just mindset. It's emotional, it's physical, it's spiritual. This hour is like tending a garden within yourself. Your thoughts are the soil. Your feelings are the roots. Your energy is the sunlight. Your purpose is the bloom. And you're not forcing anything to grow. You're simply giving yourself the conditions to flourish. Because real growth doesn't happen in one grand moment. It happens in tiny, almost invisible shifts. Tiny changes are the ones that transform you. No overnight reinvention. No new me starting Monday. No dramatic personality overhaul. We're doing this gentle, slow, sustainable. One morning, one breath, one choice at a time. 1% better each day becomes a life you can barely recognize in the most beautiful way. And listen closely. You cannot glow if you are exhausted. Burnout is not the goal. We're not trying to become that girl. We're becoming this girl, the one who rests without guilt. Turn your phone off at night. Give your mind darkness and stillness. Your dreams deserve space, too. So maybe tomorrow, set your alarm just 10 minutes earlier. Not an hour, not a leap, just a step. In that tiny pocket of morning, meet yourself. Move, reflect, grow, breathe, belong to yourself. You deserve the first hour of your day. You deserve to feel grounded, calm, and decades held by you. If this resonated, if your heart whispered, "I want that," trust it. Tell me in the comments, what's one small morning moment you want to make yours again? Maybe it's the first sip of coffee, the way you stretch under the early light, or simply waking up without rushing. You're doing better than you think. Keep going one real day at a time.